Hello, welcome to my channel How to Solve Physics. My name is Praveen Gupta. In this video, we will discuss first topic of electrostatics, that is electric charge. Let's start. Every material of our physical world made up of atoms. If we look into an atom with help of a powerful microscope such as electron microscope, what we will notice, we will see the structure of an atom. Atom is having nucleus in its core, which consists of proton and a neutron, whereas electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Look at the structure. Electrons are negatively charged, whereas protons are positively charged. As far as the neutron is concerned, they are neutral. Let us know how bodies are getting electric charge. Wow. And enjoy the discussion between the two cats. Wow. First one. Hi, I am negatively charged. Wow. Question. How you are negatively charged? Wow. I'm getting one electron. Mean, if excess of electrons in a body is getting negatively charged. That's it. Now we will see how a body is getting positive charge. Wow. Now enjoy the discussion of the two other cats. First one. Wow. Hi, I am positively charged. Wow. How you are positively charged? Wow. I'm losing one electron. Wow. Mean, if there is a deficiency of electrons, body is known to be positively charged. Now, it is time to know interaction between the charges, means types of electrostatic forces. Wow. Look at the cat. We utilize an experiment. We are going to rub the balloons with the fur of this cat. If we rub balloons with the fur of the cat, we are doing some work. And you know, the work is a form of energy. Here, energy is utilized to transfer electron from one body to another. And bodies are getting charges. If we place charged balloons near to each other, what happens? They are going to repel. Look at the balloons. But why? Because balloons are identical in material and getting charged by rubbing with the same cat. That is why getting the same charges. Because balloons are repelling. Now we have to conclude similar charges are repelling each other. In next experiment, if charged balloon is placed nearby the same cat, what happened? Let's check. It is going to attract. Look at and think. Wow! Wow, balloon is attracted towards the cat, but question is, but why? Try to answer the question. Because balloon and cat fur are made up of the different material, you know. and during rubbing getting different charges. Now we can conclude that unlike charges attract each other. Now we can check our understanding by solving few questions. First one, whether minus 2 coulomb charge is less than plus 2 coulomb charge. Are you agree? No. Look at the cat. I think this cat is going to solve. According to Benjamin Franklin, positive and negative two types of charges are nothing but polarity of electric charges. These are just like magnetic poles, north and south. Whether we should compare north and south poles in a strength, logically comparison is carried out in same polarity. We can say plus 2 coulomb charge is lesser than plus 4 coulomb charge, but we can't say which is stronger between minus 2 coulomb and plus 2 coulomb charge. Ready for the next question? A and B attract and B and C repel. Which is type of electrostatic attraction between A and C? We have to check all the possibilities between the charges in between the A, B and C. What are the possibilities? A and B attract. Let's first possibility, A is positively charged. Because A and B attract, B should be negative, is it? But B and C repelling. If B is negative, C should also be negative, right? Next possibility, it is not necessary A is positively charged. It may happen A is negatively charged. We'll take the next color. Okay, if A is negatively charged, because A and B attract, B should also be positive. Negative and positive attract each other, it's okay. But B and C repelling each other, because B is positively charged, C is also positively charged. Our question is in between A and C. Now check whether A is positive, C is negative, they attract. A is negative, B positive, they attract. Means answer will be attraction. Next question. A and B as well as A and C attract each other. Which is the type of electrostatic force between B and C? Wow. Look into the problem like this cat is. All the possibilities between A, B and C. If A is positive, B either negative or neutral, because whether the body is positively charged or negatively charged, it is also attracting the neutral light objects. Likewise, C either negative or neutral. But if we started A as a negative, then B should be either positive or neutral. Similarly, C is. Our question is the force of interaction between B and C. Look into the forces. If B is negative, say C is neutral, what about the interaction? Attraction, because whether the body is positively charged or negatively charged, it is also attracting the neutral light object. This is the possibility. But it may happen B and C both are negative. Then what happen? They repel each other. But it also happen both are neutral. Then what happen? neither attraction nor repulsion means any of above any case is possible. Thanks for watching. See you in next video on the next topic of the electrostatic. Till then, stay tuned with me by subscribe, share and like. Thanks once again.